This video guide will help you to remove the adware type application, which is called SharedEnumerator. While checking out new submissions to the VirusTotal database, we found this rogue application called SharedEnumerator. After we inspected this piece of software, we found out that it actually operates as adware and actually belongs to the adload malware family. Adware enables the placement of third-party graphical content on visited websites and other interfaces. These ads can endorse online scams, unreliable or even harmful applications, and even malware. So clicking on some of these ads can perform unwanted downloads or installation without the user's permission. Also, advertising supported software might not deliver ads in some cases. It may depend on various specifications such as geographical location or particular sites being visited, but whether these ads are displayed or not is still not the reason for you not to remove this adware. Anyway, if you have found this SharedEnumerator adware on your computer, you need to access your Finder, check your applications, find this application called SharedEnumerator, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Now, I would also strongly advise that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, wait until it updates its anti-malware database, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other infections. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.